What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and this is episode 5 of Clocking In the Night Shift. If you've never laid tile before and you want to learn how, well, this is the video for you. Over the past couple of weeks, I've been renovating our master bathroom. We ripped out previous tile, installed backerboard, and now we're installing this large 24 by 48 tile. It's an absolute beast to move around. Every night I've been installing about 2 rows at a time and slowly chipping away at it. I need to use my angle grinder and cut out the areas around the door frame. There's 2 pieces total. Once I cut and install the pieces, then I can start building my rows off that. If you're new to the channel, again, my name's Connor, and me and my wife have spent the past 2 years renovating our house. Our truck actually caught fire in the garage and it caused smoke damage all throughout our house. So we needed to rip everything out and start from scratch. We got a new HVAC system, sheetrock, flooring, kitchen, bathroom. All our videos are out now on our YouTube channel, so once you're done with this video, go check it out. And now we fast forward to today where I'm working on our master bathroom, and this is the final thing I need to cross off our list before we can officially move in. Now I marked where the openings would be on the tiles, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut them in the sunroom. I have the tile behind me and it's marked and ready to be cut with an angle grinder. This is the Milwaukee cordless angle grinder. The battery sold separately, and you can get this for about $99. And then the circular diamond blade that you need to actually cut the tile with, it'll run you about like 30 bucks, give or take. But right now I'm currently on one of the side rooms. We call it the sunroom in our house. My wife painted it this wonderful color pink, and I'm gonna be cutting the tile in here, so just don't tell her. I'm gonna be going back and forth with this tile grinder, and it's gonna create a lot of dust. It normally does. So what I'm gonna do is take a water bottle and slowly pour it out over the diamond blade itself, and that will cut down the dust dramatically. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Tile 1 is set and it fits perfectly. Tile number 2, the other side of the doorway, is gonna be a little bit more trickier. It actually goes farther in. It's like a 12-inch piece that I need to cut out rather than 5-inch piece before. But as long as I can cut relief joints at the end of the tile, that's where hopefully all the stress goes to that relief joint rather than splitting the entire tile. Fingers crossed, I think we can make it happen. Pieces that we cut with the angle grinder, I went ahead and dry fitted them. What that means is just laying them over with no mortar on the bottom of it, just to make sure the pieces fit and everything was cut to size. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take them off, slap some mortar on it, and then we'll just build off the rows from there. Yes, my darling.
Hi.
Hey, babe. Yes, it was wonderful.
Alright.
Alright, see you later.
Alright, bye. Love you.
Love you. Oh yeah. Oh man, that was tough. I would have used this suction cup hand grip you can get at Home Depot for like 40 bucks. I do not recommend this. Play the clip of this giving out and then almost breaking the tile over there in the corner. If you've used these in the past and you've had success with them, leave a comment and let me know maybe I'm doing this wrong. Now that these 2 tiles are set, I'm gonna just work my way over. I have to wait till these dry before I get back into the toilet area. I'll save that for another day. Let's keep laying some tile. What I'm doing now, it's called back buttering. You do a thin layer of thin set on the back side of the tile. When you go to set the tile, you know you have complete coverage and that there's no spots that are missing. Beautiful. All right, guys, I'm clocking out for tonight. I was able to lay down most of the tile. Again, there's some areas like back behind the toilet that I need to cut around, and then also on that back wall, there's just small pieces that just need to be filled in. But once I can officially walk on it tomorrow, I'll be able to knock out all those little spots, and then I'll be finished with tile. And then we can work on the vanity, trim, grout, the actual shower area, install the toilet. There's a lot of things to do, but I hope that you stay tuned. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.